Hey there, welcome to Wheel Joint. In this video, I'll show you how to reset one-touch automatic power windows in your Kia Sportage. One-touch auto windows are a convenient feature commonly found in modern vehicles, including in Sportage. This feature allows you to easily open or close your vehicle's power windows with a single brief press or pull of the window switch, rather than having to hold the switch continuously until the window is fully open or closed. It's common for some vehicles with one-touch auto windows to require a reset of the auto window feature after disconnecting the 12-volt battery. This is because disconnecting the battery can reset various electronic systems in the car, including those related to power windows. If you're having trouble with your automatic power windows not working as they should, don't worry, I've got a simple reset procedure for you. Start by turning the ignition switch to the on position, or start the engine. This is a crucial first step in the reset process. Now, roll up the window. With the window closed, continue to pull up the power window switch for at least 1 second after the window is completely closed. Make sure to hold the switch for a few seconds to ensure that the reset process is initiated. And that's it. You've successfully reset your automatic power window system in your Sportage. Now, give it a test. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful in resolving your power window issue. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Wheel Joint for more helpful automotive videos. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Drive safe and enjoy your Kia Sportage.